Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the Nest camera model and firmware, so you use the right reset method. This matters because button location and timing differ. Once done, make sure your phone is logged into the Google Home or Nest app, and the Wi-Fi SSID and password are at hand. You'll also power cycle the device now, unplug for about 10 seconds and plug back in to clear temporary errors and ensure the camera boots fresh before the reset sequence. Now perform the factory reset by locating the reset button or pinhole. You need a paperclip for pinhole types. Hold the button for the model-specific interval, roughly 10 to 20 seconds, until the LED flashes or speaks a voice prompt, which indicates the camera erase settings. While holding, keep the device powered. Once the LED announces a reset, release and wait for the restart. Then open the app and follow prompts to re-add the camera, so it finish by running the Google Home or Nest app setup flow and install any firmware updates. This restores secure connections and improves stability. If setup fails, make sure your phone and camera are on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi or restart your router, since some Nest cameras don't like isolated guest networks. If the LED behavior is still odd or the device won't pair, perform one more factory reset and try again. This often clears stubborn profile or provisioning corruption that blocks normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.